career confusion meant failure, then India would be full of failed intelligent people. But that is not true. Career confusion is not a weakness. In many cases, it is actually a sign of intelligence. People who think deeply, who try to understand consequences, who do not blindly follow others. These are the ones who feel the most confused. In this video, I will calmly explain why even smart students and experienced professionals feel confused about their careers. And more importantly, what is this confusion is actually trying to tell you. If you are feeling stuck, anxious, or unsure right now, I want you to listen to this video without any judgment. Not to find instant answers, but to find clarity in how to think. In our society, confusion is treated like a problem. When someone says, "I am confused about my career," the reaction is immediate. Parents become worried. Relatives start advising. Friends start comparing. And very quietly, the confused person starts doubting themselves. They start asking themselves uncomfortable questions. Am I not smart enough? Am I too slow? Why does everyone else seem clear except me? Let me pause here and say this very clearly. Confusion is not caused by the lack of intelligence. In fact, many times confusion appears because someone is intelligent enough to see the complexity. Confusion usually comes from three things coming together. First, too many options. Engineering, medicine, commerce, arts, management, government exams, private jobs, startups, or going abroad. Right? Earlier generations had fewer choices. But now we have many. But there is no method to evaluate them. Second, too much of pressure. Pressure to succeed early, pressure to not disappoint parents, or pressure to match someone else's timeline. And the third, zero structured guidance. People give opinions, and very few give frameworks. When options, pressure, and lack of structure come together, confusion is not just natural, it is inevitable. There is something important most people do not realize. Smart people do not make some impulsive decisions. They think about consequences. They think about long-term impact. And also they think about what if this goes wrong? And that thinking is not weakness. That thinking is responsibility. But the Indian education system does not reward this kind of thinking. We are trained for exams. Exams reward quick answers. Exams reward memorization. And exams reward following a predefined syllabus. But life does not work like that. Life does not give multiple choice questions, but life asks open-ended questions. Questions like, which path suits you? What are you willing to sacrifice? What kind of life do you actually want? When someone who is trained only for exams is suddenly told to decide their entire future, confusion is not surprising at all, but it is expected. Over many years of observing students and professionals, I have seen a pattern that often surprises many people. I have seen toppers who feel anxious, dissatisfied, and stuck. And I have seen average students who feel confident, stable, and quietly successful. The difference was not with the intelligence, the difference was with the clarity of direction. Toppers often follow the system perfectly: marks, ranking, college, or job. But when the system stops giving instructions, they feel lost. Average students, on the other hand, they often pause earlier. They explore and they experiment. Marks did help both to enter opportunities, but clarity helped only some people to navigate their life. No doubt, marks will open doors, but direction decide where you finally end up. Confusion is not your enemy. Confusion is information. It is your mind telling you that something has changed. Old assumptions are no longer working. Old advice feels so incomplete. Confusion is a signal that is saying, stop reacting automatically, start deciding consciously. Many people silence confusion by rushing into decision. They choose a course very quickly. They accept a job without even thinking. They go abroad to escape the pressure. That silence feels like a relief, but it is temporary. Because unresolved confusion always returns. But at that time, returns as a regret. So, the real danger is not confusion. The real danger is in panic decisions. Decisions that are made to satisfy others. Decisions made to avoid discomfort. Decisions made because everyone else doing it. These decisions feel safe in a short term, but in the long term, they slowly disconnect you from yourself. And that disconnection shows up as dissatisfaction, burnout, or regret, often many years later. So, to summarize, career clarity is not discovered accidentally. It is designed consciously. So, if you are feeling confused right now, don't feel ashamed. Pause, reflect, and seek structure. Confusion is not telling you that you are failing. It is telling you that you are ready to make better decisions. If this video helped you to feel calmer, please like and subscribe. And if you are standing at an important career decision point, the details are in the description.